Good morning, futures traders. This is David on Friday, June 17th, 2022. The time is 10:08. So I'm going to play with the NQ and the ES. Going to leave oil alone. Let's see what the market analyzer says.
Order filled.
Okay. Where is that?
Order canceled.
There it is. My switch counts. Okay. Oh, it's going up nicely. There's some red.
Order canceled.
I did that. I took profit. See what the ES is going to do.
Order filled.
NQ's lively today. Oh, this one's just toying around. Come on, push it down.
Order
There
canceled.
Holy cow, that one took forever.
Order submitted.
They're both in. Come on, hit my target.
Order canceled.
There we go. There we go. Look at that. Ooh, I think we're up pretty good today. 10 grand almost. I'm not going to let this come back on me.
Order filled.
That was a nice trade, both trades. 39, 37, 36, 35. Come on, keep going down. There we go. Just keep riding it down until you see some green. Almost saw some green right there. I'm going to turn off that because I'm there. 33, 34. Bring it down to that. I'd like to see some 33s.
Order filled.
Okay, well, let's do the tally. Oh. Okay, $102 in commissions, 100%, $3,148. You do this every day, $96,000. This one for the NQ strategies. Let's see here. Yep, $200 in commissions. You do this and you make $170,000 a month. So that didn't turn out too bad. The time is 10:14, so 15-20 minutes and you're making that much kind of money. So let's see here. 5, 8, 5, 6 plus 3, 3, 5, 5 equals minus 300 for commissions total, 9,511. I think that should do it for the day. So, all right. Well, thank you for watching.